Welcome to another segment of Lousje and Bean Behind the Scene. It's Sunday. Welcome, lovelies. Here we are another Sunday, and we are getting very close to Christmas. The 12 days of Christmas have passed in the boutique. You've all loved it, and we've loved making the videos and the girls looking after you when you came into the boutique, or the shipping. A little bit of a problem there, but anyway, we are managing really well. So to start with a little bit of housekeeping, thank you for all your tips on the door knocker. I have a wreath on the door. We'll go to the front door after and I'll show you our wreath. But once the Christmas is over and the wreath comes off the door, we're going to seriously look for a door knocker, and I'm going to look up your artist that you had suggested. Thank you. Well, I have to tell you, we went to an unbelievable Christmas concert. Every Christmas I need to go to one concert, even if it's in a church with, no choir, but a sing-along. I get very much in the Christmas spirits, which I needed this week to get in the Christmas spirits. I mean, you get so busy, run, here, there, this and that, you forget about, what it's all about. So my friend Joanne is in a beautiful choir. It's called Chorales Camerales, and it's an oratorio choir, and they had an absolutely gorgeous program for the classical music lovers that are out there, which I listen to a lot of classical music, and I love John Ritter. But they sang this absolutely gorgeous piece by Fauré. It's called Cantine de Jean Racine. It's a very old piece from when he was living, Fauré. Anyway, I was spellbound by it. I love it. I found it at home on my Spotify, and I've been playing it ever since. So if you love classical music, and maybe you're well aware of it already, but this piece was new to me and I loved it. So that was the Christmas concert. We took some pictures. Glenn always takes pictures, and here you will see how wonderful it was in a beautiful church and a lovely time. So also we saw an amazing movie. It's on Netflix. It's called Emilia Perez. So it is a drama, an action drama, a musical, an opera, a comedy. And it's very hard to explain. And when I tried to find a write-up on it, this is what all the write-ups said. It's very difficult to explain because it's such an unusual film. But I highly recommend it. We loved it. I would love to see it again, actually. It was really so different. And that's what was one of the highlights that we watched this past week. So we are now pulling out our Christmas boxes, Glenn's Christmas stuff and mine. It's interesting. We really are very careful with saying to each other, "Oh, I don't like that at all. Oh, yuck." But we both ditched a few things, and we found the pieces that we like, and some pieces you just have to say, "I don't like it," but it's from his past, right? Sentimental reasons. So we thought we would get a big Christmas tree. Well, we winterized all the windows. We didn't have time to buy storm windows, so Glenn silicone caulked all the windows, and we put the clips on so that it's shut tight. So for now, that's all we can do, and it feels pretty good. It feels pretty good. So next summer, we're going to go on a hunt for storm windows. But my point of the story was we were supposed to go for a Christmas tree. And then we were so tired that we said maybe we should just get a potted one, a little one, and then we can plant it in the backyard. So I'm on a hunt now for a potted little Christmas tree. And we decorated just with a few things, right? So it will be small, but it will be okay. I personally haven't had a Christmas tree in 10 years, I think, because my house was pretty small. And it just took up too much room. So I had a little fake Charlie Brown Christmas tree, which I put up, and it's pretty cute and it served a purpose. Similar for Glenn, when he moved into his new house that he built 4 years ago. He didn't find a good spot for a Christmas tree, so neither of us had one. So we're gonna have one, but it's a little one. But we have a beautiful wreath on the door. And I bought a wreath from the superstore, and it was pretty basic, and I spruced it up. I added some extra greens to it, and I bought ribbon for a bow. I made the ribbon, and just some doodads around, and I'm pretty happy with it. And then Glenn had these candles in his past house in front of the window with a little light, and that's what we put up. So that's all the Christmas decorations we're going to do for now. It looks pretty nice. We're happy with it. So let's go to the door and I'll show you my wreath. Lovelies, here is my beauty, my wreath. I'm pretty happy with it. So I bought these little extra greens, this and this, and then the ribbon, and I think it shows beautiful on the yellow door. I am just thrilled. So just a little bit about my clothes. I'm wearing all Alambika, these amazing pants that I have myself. Wear them a lot. And the striped socks, we have a huge array of socks in the boutique, and I love my stripies. I've got them in every color combination, and of course they go with the striped sleeve. This shirt I have to show you because I am in love with it. It's got the stripe and the cow print, and then this beautiful heather gray, and it's a really nice style because it's a great length. The fabric is exquisite. It's so cozy, you don't want to take it off. And of course, Siska to bling it up. And this gorgeous jewelry and my gorgeous, very fine wool scarf, which I'm gonna put back on because I'm chilled. Okay, lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this segment and have a wonderful Sunday and keep on smiling.